All right, here it is, the iPhone 12 box. Let's open this thing up real quick. I've got my little knife to help us out. Oh boy. Look at this thing, it's got a little hole on the edge of it. Oh boy. There it goes. Nice little wrap so it doesn't jiggle around in the box. And slide that out. Alright. Here she is. I ended up getting the iPhone 12 Pro. It was about $12.99. Did monthly payments on it with AT&T, so it's like $42 extra a month for 30 whopping months. All I had to do is pay the tax on it. It was like 130 bucks and then a $30 upgrade fee through AT&T. But yeah, not too sure if I want to get the insurance yet, but still got some time to decide. Let's pop this baby open. Wow. That is nice. It's very matted on the back, so can't really pick up fingerprints. I mean, compared to my iPhone 10, cracked one, it's a huge glare. So going from glare back to like a matte black, that's kind of nice. I did see that this part is shiny though, so this is where you'll pick up a bunch of fingerprints. And wow. Okay, so we got the power button on this right side, the mute button up here, volume up and down, single charging point. Alright. I think this is the LiDAR sensor, so you can scan an entire room if you wanted to. Let's peel it back. Oh wow, it's so clean. It's extremely clean. Let's take a comparison between these two. So here on the right side is my iPhone 10, and then on the left side is the iPhone 12. And I'm sliding it across the table, but that's literally slightly bigger. I'm really digging the edges because they're so sharp. And just for fun, here's iPhone 5. Obviously these phones are just all cracked. And take this out of this case here. Pretty crazy to see the iPhone 5 come back with this popular edge. It's very boxy. I kind of miss it. But Jesus, look at the size difference. Oh boy. Look at the width difference. And in the back. Pretty crazy. But yeah, so this thing ends up costing about $12.99 plus like $130 plus another $30, so was that $1,300, $1,430, $1,460, almost $1,500. Definitely worth it. I had my phone for about 3 years, and I think this will last quite a while. What is this? I have not. Maybe that's a. Oh, I can't wait to find out what that is. I kind of just bought this phone knowing that I wanted a new phone, and let's just power it on real quick. Hold down the far right button. Pretty stoked. So this will actually be my personal phone, and then this will be my work phone, and this is just a very, very old dinosaur of a phone. So yeah, let's just set it up. I'm gonna select, let's look at the languages. So obviously there's a prompt to set up a new phone with my old phone, but I'm not gonna do that. Maybe I'll do that in a video or something. Get that out of the way. Go to English, United States. Alright, so we're just going to set up manually, and then we're going to log into the Wi-Fi. Now it's going to activate. So I'll be doing a bunch of videos on how to use mostly everything on the phone, partially because I want to learn how to use it as well, and it's going to force me to get that rolling. Phone number should match the one provided. Probably going to censor that out because I don't want you guys calling me. But yeah. Now it's activating with AT&T. So while that's doing that, we can take a look at what's in the box. It's just a single cable. We just bust this out. I just like to open it right away. So obviously no charging block, but we do have a charging block I ended up buying for 19 bucks. I did end up opting with the MagSafe, where there's a magnet on the back of the phone and you can just literally set it right on top. This was 39 bucks. But within the box also there's not very much. SIM popper, instructions, and a sticker. Man, definitely looks cool being super thin. Alright, let's get back to this. Data privacy, continue. We're gonna set this up later for Face ID. We're gonna not use the password right now. Just wanna get to the home screen to see. So cool, we can restore from a few different ways. I usually do it from the Mac, but we're just gonna skip it for now. We're gonna skip everything. Oh, I wonder if I can get past the screen. Set up later, there we go. So don't use. Technically you don't need an Apple ID to get started. And don't read this and click agree. Hit continue. Keep your phone up to date. iMessage, let's just skip everything. Alright, not now, keep going. Alright, so I just basically zoomed through the entire setup process. And here we are. So now the challenge of learning everything about the phone and making video clips of it. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I think it's definitely going to be a phone I keep for another 3 years. The iPhone 10 I've had for about 3 years, well 2 years, and then I did an insurance claim on one. So, but yeah, that is it. Feel free to subscribe if you guys want to see more content. I'm basically going to be going through every single one of these little menus, and I'm going to attempt to cover every single thing. Obviously those videos are going to be a little shorter in length, but little things like this physical and motor touch, assisted touch, this is pretty cool. If you want to go to the home menu, you can just click that and hit home. So if you miss that button, then you can utilize it by pressing that to get around. But yeah, that is pretty much it. And feel free to comment down below if you plan on getting one. And smash that like button. Ha! This is really awkward and cringe. But it should get better, I hope. One day. We'll see. Alright, goodbye.